Am I really so old and ugly that you can talk to me about other women without so much as batting an eyelid? Oh, you're out of your senses. My wonderful man, my marvellous man, the last page of my life, my joy, my pride, my delight. Leave me for a single hour and I'll never survive it. I'll go mad. I'm not ashamed of my love for you, my treasure, my wild and desperate man. You want to behave like a lunatic, but I don't want you to. I won't let you. You're mine. You're mine. This brow of yours is mine. These eyes are mine. This lovely silken hair is mine. You're all mine. You're such a talented man, such an intelligent man. You're the finest writer alive today. You're the sole hope of Russia. You have so much sincerity, so much simplicity and wholesome humour. With one stroke, you're able to convey the essence of a person or landscape. Your characters live and breathe. Impossible to read you without delight. You think I'm flattering you? Look into my eyes. Do I look like a liar? See for yourself. I am the only one who can appreciate you. I'm the only one who tells you the truth. My sweet, my marvel, you won't abandon me. Now he's mine.